Why is it important to verify that all ADAS systems are operating correctly before you return the vehicle to the owner? We're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by LaunchTech USA, solutions with the power to perform fast and accurate OEM-level diagnostics and repair. Visit LaunchTechUSA.com to learn more.
It took you years to build your reputation. How fast can that reputation be destroyed by not verifying that all ADAS systems operate as they did before the vehicle crash? Our world is so different today than it was just 5 years ago. One person can send out a review that will be seen by hundreds, if not thousands, of prospective customers. If they have an opinion that is negative, your reputation takes a hit. A vehicle that comes back to a shop because of problems it is having after a repair also damages a shop's reputation. The questions, why did these things happen, or why didn't the shop catch the issue, are asked. For years, many of us have taken for granted a good test drive. A trip around the block does not constitute a test drive. You trust that your crew did the job perfectly. Now you need to verify it. The test drive has become that much more critical. It's not just clearing codes and driving around the building. There are specific requirements OEMs have to verify the operation of safety systems in today's vehicles. Pre- and post-repair scans completed with a scan tool like the X431 throttle from LaunchTech are vital to the process, but that's not all you have to do. A post-repair scan without a proper test drive followed by another scan or health check is only doing less than half the procedure. Plus, if you designate a person for the test drive who does not know how a system operates, let alone how to verify it is working correctly, you're setting yourself up for problems. So what's in a test drive? That depends on the year, make, and model of the vehicle. It also depends on what features are equipped in the vehicle. Owners are not always sure how their vehicle works. They get used to whatever setting the vehicle is on and drive. When that setting changes, something must be wrong. Shops can alleviate much of this issue by preparing the owner for what must be done to repair their vehicles. Notifying a customer up front establishes confidence in your shop's knowledge of repairs. This will also alleviate the panicking a vehicle might cause by not driving the same as before the repairs were done. Your reputation depends on delivering a vehicle right the first time. You have great techs and trust them. That's great. Remember to protect against liability by trusting, but also verifying. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.